1, 2, 3, come on!
So hello guys, how are you? My name is Pranav. So I'm going to start the game Clash Squad Bermuda. So let's start guys.
So guys, I am friend of Pranav. My name is Abhi, and here first round he is playing with G18. So the round
I have the skin of
started.
G18.
Yeah, he's running directly towards it. The graphics is lagging. Okay, no problem, guys. So now where are the enemies? Okay, they are right behind of us. Okay, one is coming out there.
Not right man, left.
Yeah, there are two, both of them.
Hey
Yeah,
man, I gave damage to him man. Oh shit, he
yeah,
gave damage to
He
me.
gave a lot of damage.
Maddie. Let's
Okay.
go from right side.
Okay, zone is coming. He's right behind of you. Okay, you're playing your strategy. Okay.
So guys, let's see. Oh, two enemies. How can I? No. Come on, back off me.
Oh,
shit.
You have knocked down. You knocked
Three enemies
down.
are surrounded by me.
Okay, now. Hey, you know, in my account, the Chinto account, I got this costume.
Yeah.
So I think we lost.
So guys,
this.
in next game we'll play both me and also Abhishek.
Okay. Now let's take famous. We have skin.
Because we have skin of famous guys.
So guys,
So
I think we have to win this one. We have
Yes.
only 4 emotes. I have 7 emotes.
what?
Yes.
No man, my mother will not allow to do top up.
Okay, today my brother is doing top up for Alok.
Oh really?
He
So
will buy.
let's see guys. So guys, let's see. I'll just rush inside the houses. From
he
left
have
side somebody are
shotgun-
shooting.
Shotgun with him.
Oh, what's that? He's looking like a ghost. What? I scared like anything. What?
Okay, guys.
He's that ghost guy. Let's make a headshot. Wow, it's a headshot.
That's a
Wow.
very good one, headshot.
So I think I may do triple kill, guys. What? Oh, he
Yes,
headshooted. He didn't give me chance, guys. It's a big headshot, guys. Headshot.
Your
So let's
teammate
see.
knocked down.
What? How he did?
no,
How he
guys.
became? So guys, let's see. He's not here, guys. Oh shit. We'll see.
I think he's in the house.
No. Oh, he's there.
Yeah, both enemies are here.
Two
One
enemies.
knocked down.
No, two enemies. Oh man. Let's see. Come on. Shoot. Come on. Shoot. It's
double
a triple kill. It's a triple kill, guys. I had also killed the ghost man.
Yeah, now let's take MP5. Okay, that.
I had scared very much when I see that ghost man, you know. He's looking like something. But I'm always shooting a headshot to him.
Okay. Now,
Let's see guys, what will happen. No, Abhishek is going to play.
yes. Okay, guys. So
Guys, let's see. Hey Abhishek, play nicely.
okay.
Hey.
Where is the enemy, man? I can't see. Will we get booyah in this game?
I think so. Yes, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yes.
There is one guy.
There is an enemy. He's that ghost guy. That ghost guy. Scary
Yeah.
guy. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So let's see, guys. Oh, he's knocked. Oh. Okay. Where is he shooting from? Hey, Abhishek, where is he shooting from?
I don't know, man. I don't know really. Yeah, he's right.
He's
in front
right
of-
there. There.
He's right in front of us.
Oh,
Yo.
he's not. Oh,
Yes.
Abhishek, what a pro gameplay. Wow.
Oh, headshot,
wow,
man.
It's a headshot. Pro gameplay. Superb, superb, superb. A very pro gameplay. Very pro gameplay.
Double kill, man.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, he's inside the house. We didn't saw, yeah?
Yes, man.
Yeah, he's there. We didn't saw, man. Come on, give revive. Do you have global? Arey, man.
You're
Shit.
dead.
What Abhishek? What is that?
Oh no, man. This girl.
Oh, it's a victory. Wow.
Oh, it's a victory. Good.
Good, good, good. Wow.
You played 2 games, right? Even I will play 2 games now.
Why?
Please, man.
You cheaty boy. Okay. Let's take XMate.
Okay, I'm taking MP5. Yeah.
Oh, MP5.
And
Why are you taking MP5? Can't you take XMate, guys?
Okay.
You have
no
to take in
problem.
budget. Oh, wow. This is a free emote. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that, man, always? Oh, 2 MP5s. What is that? Let's see. So, guys, let's see.
what will happen in this game? Oh, he
Oh, he's knocked.
always
what?
this. Who is this?
Where is he coming from? Where is he? Abhishek. Where is
guy?
he?
Gayness is getting knocked always.
Oh, he's that side. Yeah, he's that side.
Oh.
Oh, from back. He's that ghost guy. So I will make a headshot. Abhishek.
Headshot.
Wow. What a headshot, Abhishek. Wow, it's a
Headshot,
headshot, Abhishek. For that ghost guy only always headshot is coming, yeah?
Yes.
What a headshot. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Why all my teammates are getting knocked out?
What? Oh, shit. From back.
man.
He took the SKS. No. Not
Yeah,
not he. His friend shooted. I think what you will take. Oh, this is my chance. I will do this.
You are also taking
AK. Yes. I will try AK Once time. I didn't try AK. So
Okay.
I will try AK.
Okay.
Let's
you-
see. Yeah. I don't have the skin of AK, man.
Yeah.
Guys. Let's see.
You know, in my account there are a lot of bundles. So many bundles in my account. Okay.
Hey, you had top up and cheated. Cheaty boy. You top up.
No, I didn't top up even once. I didn't get even Joseph. My friends only.
What? Who?
Only my friends gave me all
What's
that
this?
bundles, everything.
What's this, guys? Oh,
Today I will
shit.
top up for Alok. I don't have Alok. Very bad.
What? You don't have any alog?
Yeah, I don't have Alok.
Oh,
now.
shit. Very bad.
Today I will take Alok.
What is he doing? What? He's like a statue. He's not shooting at something. Hey, where is he shooting from, man? Oh, shit. Where
I
is he
think
shooting
we are
from?
going to lose this game.
I think so. No. I will never give up. Let's see.
No one
Abhishek.
is coming to revive us.
This is the 5th round. Oh, guys, come on.
Shit, man.
Shit. What is he doing?
Bronze one, fellow.
I think he's going to lose. We are going to lose this match, this round.
Obviously, man. Obviously.
So let's see. So I think, hey, see left side, man. Why are you swinging front side? Oh, lose.
He's a noob, man.
So let's see. This game is also mine, not yours. So let's see. Oh. I'll change the gun. XM8 I think. Yes, I'll take XM8 and also shotgun. So let's see.
You're not taking any glue, man. That's really bad.
Nothing may happen, guys. I think so. Yeah,
Okay.
I forgot it global.
Yeah, I need to go now. Bye, guys.
So let's see. Abhi is not playing. So guys, let's see, guys. he has sniper. Hey, somebody rush. Because I don't have any glove because I'm not rushing. You. Move aside, man. Move aside. Yeah. Move aside. I'll just take another place. What? This much damage? Oh, he is dead. My friend is dead. Right side friend. He's dead. I thought he's gone that side. That house. What's that? So let's see what happened. Hey friend, please, please don't be knocked. Don't be knocked. Don't be knocked. Come on. Oh, he's here only. What is he doing? Just like a statue, man. Come on, shoot him, shoot him. Hey, shoot him. Hey. Yeah, it's a victory. Big victory. I had took the 3 gloves from him. So let's see, guys. I had took the vest. Oh, I thought to take repair kit, man. Why did I waste that money to take the vest? Okay, guys, let's see. I'm leaving the mushrooms for my friends. Hey, take somebody mushrooms. Why are you not taking mushrooms? Hey, you. Okay, let's see. So, guys, oh, where is he from? Oh, he went that side, guys. So, I'm going to see here. He's coming from this side. Where is that ghost guy? Where did he went? I think he's eliminated. No, I think so. Yeah, I think no. Let's see, guys. Man. Oh, what? Hey, revive. Hey, how did he shoot him? Who did he shoot at me? What? Yeah, he's giving me revive. Thank you. You're my friend, best friend. Wow, what? Oh man, I'll just take shotgun. Oh, there is no health. Oh. What? Hey, what happened? Oh, what? OP headshot. It's a headshot, guys. It's a headshot. What a big headshot. Wow. I had scared very much, guys. Wow, OP headshot. Wow. So, guys, let's see what headshot. I have gloves, so I want to go. Okay, let's go down. Come on. We'll go down. Wait a minute, I'll just check. Somebody are there? No, so anybody are not there. I think so. Behind the tree. I think I will keep it. Oh, from side. Oh, Joe. Wow, it's a booyah. Whoa, yo. Oh, revive. What is happening? Wow, it's a booyah. Wow. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I am the Pranav Gamer. So this is my first video what I am making. So guys, thank you and bye bye guys. Oh.